So I recently picked up this C4 by GTechniq, and it's supposed to be a trim restore. So my car is a 2020. It's actually not that bad, but it is starting to fade a little bit if you compare it to some other spots. So I'm going to do a quick video and just show you how it works. Now the first thing you're going to need is gloves. Make sure you're wearing gloves because you do not want this stuff on your hands. Second thing you'll need, I'm using a little cotton pad to apply it, and it could not be simpler to apply. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you saturate the cotton pad and then just apply. Now this bottle seems a little tiny, but I've done multiple cars with this and it lasts a while. Now once you're done applying the product, it says wait 30 to 60 seconds and then buff it off. Comes off nice and easy. Not overly shiny, but it's definitely been restored to black. Look at that, it is absolutely perfect.